Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I'll be sharing tips on how to shape your nails. Let's get into it. Let's begin with Coffin. This nail shape is ideal for those with longer nails. Start by cutting a straight free edge. Using the fine side of the Gelous nail file, file your nails back and forth inwards to create a tapered shape. Repeat on the other side. Once you are happy with the shape, file the tip of your nail so that it is straight. You can achieve a more tapered coffin shape with longer nails. Next, we have square. Start by cutting straight across the free edge of your nail to your desired length. Using the fine side of the Gelous nail file, file the sides of your nail by moving up and down, creating straight sides. Finish by filing straight across the free edge. Follow the same method for shorter or longer lengths. Let's turn square into Squoval. Once you have followed the steps to create a square shape, gently round the corner of your nails by turning the file inwards, making sure to keep the free edge flat. Make sure you don't overfile to avoid losing the overall shape. Now let's create a rounder nail shape. Cut the sides of your nails on an angle to help prepare for a round finish. Make sure not to cut too much off to allow for error. Using the fine side of the Gelous nail file, file the sides of your nails back and forth inwards to create a tapered shape. Make sure to round the free edge. Moving the file in one direction will allow for more control. When filing the free edge, keep the width similar to your nail. Lastly, let's do Almond. After completing the steps to create a round shape, file the free edge of your nails on an angle to create a more tapered result. Finish by rounding the free edge of your nail to create a more almond-like shape. The free edge should be narrower than your nail. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching!